The wig is on my head. Huh? Yeah, I got some other stuff I got to take care of, so I won't be able to kick in. Bold and sexy hair. But never mind. You could do the Kojic shot if you want to. You know good and well you could have put a headband wig on. I am a grown woman and I can do whatever I want. Here she come again. Would you even like... 2020 put all us to the test, so our shouts are a little bit more aggressive. Well, hello cousins, it's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with another slay.
Greatest day of my life.
Yo, this is crazy. It has been cloudy all day, and as soon as I sit down to film, now the sun wanna pop out. What we doing? Y'all. So I got something real cute, very easy, simple, easy to install, easy to maintain, easy to do your hair and go about your business. I like it. Come on, son, what we doing? Come on, son. I'm gonna give you that, and I'm excited to jump into it. But first, before we do that, I want to take this moment to show love to my subscriber of the day. Bam! Hey, you're the bomb. Okay, you guys, if you have not hit that subscribe button as of yet, I don't know why. Why would you not? Why would you even, like, not do it? So what I have for you today is from RPG Show Wig, and it's a headband wig. Very high quality hair. This is for my cousins who want that highlight look. You're not really trying to just go all the way off as far as the color goes, but you like, bruh, I can subtle highlight. If you can't highlight your hair because you got a good job, honey, keep your good job. Don't go in there try to make a statement and talk about what Mary Headband said. I am a grown woman and I can do whatever I want. Cause don't do that, honey. Because see, I'm not gonna be able to really kick in on the bills and stuff because yeah, I got some other stuff I got to take care of, so I won't be able to kick in. So this is a nice subtle highlight headband wig, okay? I have 16 inches. A lot of people are having questions about, can they work out with these headband wigs? Running, jogging, can they go to church and shout and stuff? Because see, 2020 put all us to the test, so our shouts are a little bit more aggressive now. So people are like, now which shout am I gonna be able to do in this headband wig? You can shout, okay? So just let it go, because I know how we was tested in 2020. So you can shout. I'm gonna tell you what kind of shouts you can do too. These headband wigs are very secure. So I'm about to just pull this one out the bag and see what's what. If y'all don't mind, y'all, they disinfect all that stuff. That's something that so matters. If it didn't matter to you before, it better matter to you now. Bam! RPG Show. Bold and sexy hair. I like these Velcro headbands. They're very soft. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. I have a blue one as well. If you guys are new to headband wigs, they're all over the place for a reason. They're so convenient. No glue, no lace. You really just plop on and go. If you just need to run to the stove, you plop on and go. You don't feel like doing your hair, bam, throw it on, go. You feel me? You need to do a Tarjay run. I do Tarjay runs all the time in my headband wigs. I'm telling you, it's perfect for Tarjay. Okay, y'all, let's look at this wig. This is the bag that it comes in, which you can keep your wigs in these bags, maintain them. It's not a game out here in these streets. So the texture is kinky. I have the 16 inch cap size 1. That's my domology. You have to adjust accordingly. Wig cap is in the box. Bam. I like this, especially if you have natural hair and you like the straightened natural hair look, because there are people who wear their natural hair straightened. Everyone doesn't keep their hair in its curly state, which is absolutely fine. But I know sometimes it can get like tedious maintaining that like blowout effect. So wigs like this so come in handy. You don't have to put heat on your hair. You don't have to manipulate your hair. You can really braid your hair down and let it go, let it thrive, honey. Let it do its thing, which is 99% of the time what our hair wants to do anyways, honey. Our hair be like, here she come again. I'm sick and tired of being sick and tired. Every time I turn around, she twisting and turning and twirling and tangling and twisting. I know my hair be upset, honey. My hair be like, again, sis, again. Now, I'm probably gonna press it, you know, in packaging, it kind of conforms to the package, the shape of the package. So you have your little bumps sometimes that can happen. Super easy fix. 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, the adjustable strap. Here is the standard headband that comes on headband wigs. So if you have no external headbands, you always have this one. And it has Velcro at the end, so you just snap it on that way. And that's really it. That's how you put these on, y'all. It's so easy. So easy. You don't have to worry about your edges. You can just brush all your hair back. You can do swoop-a-doops if you want to. Get ignorant with it, you know, sis, because that's what I be doing generally. I be ignorant on my edges, you know. Be nice to them, but when it's time to flex them, be ignorant, you know? If you have ever wondered, how can I just maintain my straight and natural hair? Here you go. I may press this. I may throw a curl or two in it. I don't know. I don't be knowing. But I am going to see if I can put it up because I do work out. Okay, let me just see. I just want to show y'all how easy this is. Okay, so you just plop it on, right? See where you want it to be. If you want none of your edges out, you just pull it to the front. And when you put your headband on, just place it right here. Bam, you're good. Place the top comb right in the middle. That's an easy way to figure out the center of the wig. I don't know until I get in the white room where exactly I want this to be on my head. But I'm just taking the Velcro and connecting it. It's so easy. Bam. That's it. The wig is on my head. That's it. That's it. That's where we are in life. First thing I notice is the texture. It feels really good. It feels like blown out natural hair. It's a nice density. It's not extra. These highlights are popping. They're like golden. Yeah, this one right here, it's underneath, but this one is like, hello. I like this. I do. Okay, so if you want to get it out of your way, just say you're about to work out, right? And you don't want all this to be in your face. This is just very quick, y'all. I'm going to show you this again once I get it secure. You take your headband and just place the back of the headband right over that Velcro, that first initial Velcro snap that you did to get the wig on. That's even more security. Plus the combs. You go work out. You don't have to be late for your workouts. You can't bust up in there late after all the hard stuff and be like, I couldn't get my hair. No, because the headband wig community is going to be like, no, you know good and well you could have put a headband wig on and went to that workout if you really wanted to work out today. Y'all, there's a comb right here, a comb right here, a comb right here, a comb in the back, and an adjustable strap, and the Velcro snap. And then if you really want to get ignorant, put a whole nother headband on over top of that Velcro snap. It's not going nowhere, sis. That's why I said you can shout. You can shout with this. And you don't even have to do just the AME's iron shout either. You can do the Kojic shout if you want to. If you want to do the Kojic shout, you can do it with this. I still probably wouldn't recommend you going on the slingshot. They got something against wigs. It don't matter what type of wig, honey. If you're not wearing your natural hair or braids, honey, your wig is coming what I like to call off. Huh? It has something against wigs. It really does. It's a true hater right there. So I won't wear no wig on the slingshot. This is literally it, y'all. This is probably one of the most easy protective styles. So quick, versatile. You can do different styles. You can curl it. This is human hair, y'all. This is the real deal. We're not half stepping with this wig. You can curl it if you want. You can color it. If you don't know how to color, take it to your stylist, okay? And even then, pray on it first, because every stylist never mind. But as you can see, your natural edges are left alone, y'all. There's no manipulation, no tugging. When you put the combs in, they just slide right in. They're secure. Yeah, you know, yeah. This it. Hey. Check out the information in the description box. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, y'all, let's go play with it. Slipping down, that look, that face smiling back at you is why you always want to be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I would